Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new folder inside of Planswift. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up Planswift, and now once we open it up, we want to make sure on the home tab, now on the left hand side we've got this arrow so we can expand this navigation pane. Now under here we can go ahead and click onto new folder, so we can go ahead and click on new folder. Make sure we're on the pages and bookmark tab on the bottom left too, so we can go ahead and click on add pages, but we don't want to click on new folder. Now we can go ahead and call this folder a name, and then once you've called it a name, it's going to appear under here. Now once you create that new folder here, we can go ahead and drag and drop things into this new folder. I'm just using a free plan of Planswift, so I can't show you directly. So yeah, basically go ahead and click on new folder, and then it's going to appear here, and we can drag and drop our documents or stuff inside of it.